Hey everyone, this is Visheshta and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another idea to reuse your waste cardboard lying at one corner of your house. So what you have to do is to just cut out two circles out of that cardboard. The dimensions are mentioned in the screen. Now you must be thinking one is enough. Why two cardboard pieces? So I took two cardboard pieces to make them thick and so that they last longer. If your cardboard is thick already, then you do not have to use another cardboard like me. So you just have to paste two cardboard pieces with each other and paste a white chart paper on it like this. So now is the fun part of this DIY. What you have to do is take your favorite colors and paint randomly on your cardboard like this. Now once you have finished coloring your cardboard, draw a sketch of a particular drawing you need on your cardboard. Like I am drawing a cactus here. Now with the help of a black acrylic paint or a black permanent marker, you can just outline that and make beautiful in your way. So guys, if you're liking the process till now, then make sure that you have liked this video, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you may get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. After that, you need a thread and a masking tape. So tie your thread on the back of the cardboard like this, how I am doing, and secure it using a masking tape. That's it. And you're done. So isn't this DIY very easy and aesthetic looking? So make sure to try out this DIY at your home and don't forget to comment down below. Till then, take care. Meet you in my next video.